Welcome to my mini bakes unboxing video. Today we are looking at the gross edition, given that it is Halloween, and of course I can't get into the ball. What next, bruh? Ugh! Not my day today. Not my day. Sorry about that, so let's finally get into the unboxing. Your struggles are real. The customary magnifying glass. Let's check it works. Oh my god, what is this? Packed with puke. Disgusting. Horrible. Love it. Let's see what's in here. Does not look like poo loons to me. Second box. Okay, one. Oh, what in the hell? Anyway, I'm not having a day today, am I? Gumball soup. And the same size. Oh, what is this? McMuggets. Disgusting. Blech. Blech. Teeth and maggots. Extra gooey trouble gum. Gumball soup. Cream of pimple pus. Oh my god, that's disgusting. Oh god, cyst juice. What the hell? Anywho, don't think I'm getting that slime out. It ain't happening. Thanks for watching. Please, please, pretty please comment, like and share.